Hi everyone, and welcome to Fotopia Capture tutorial series. In this video, I'll show you how to create a document type and make all the configurations related to indexing and exporting. Please note that you must be logged in as an administrator to have access to this feature. Here we are on the main interface. Click on Document Type. These are the document types that were previously created, and now we will create a new one. Enter a name, and then type it again here, followed by a dash. And then select the desired naming formula. I will select date time and auto-increment index, which means that when exported, every invoice will automatically be called invoice with the date and time of its export, and all the invoices will be numbered in a series starting from 1. And now we move to indexing settings. Select the storage type, whether SharePoint On-Prem or Office 365, and then enter the SharePoint site URL that contains the document library where the documents will be stored, and then enter your credentials, and then click on Validate. Now the document libraries have been retrieved. I will select Invoice, and the drop-down list of all the content types in this library will appear. So I will select the invoice content type, and now all the index fields associated with this content type will appear. You can show or hide index fields. The asterisk denotes that this is a required field, which is why it cannot be hidden. You can reorder the index fields using these arrows. You can also change the index field's name on Fotopia Capture, regardless of its original name on SharePoint. Now let's go to Export Settings. Here you get to select the format of the exported documents. They could be either in PDF or TIFF format. Let's explore document compression. Fotopia Capture provides you with 3 levels of compression. The first option is ideal for documents that are in black and white, grayscale, or minimal color formats. It offers maximum compression and therefore takes up the least storage space. The second option is for colored documents, where the colors are not required to be in high resolution. Finally, the last option is for colored documents where the resolution is required to be high, but this option requires high storage space. Now we move to Export Path Settings. This feature enables you to have your exported documents stored and organized with your desired folder structure on your SharePoint document libraries. So for example, suppose you wish to have your invoices stored in folders according to their dates, meaning that all invoices having the same date will be stored together in one folder. So let's click on Invoice Date. You can also create subfolders. So for example, within every folder determined by invoice date, you would like to have subfolders according to invoice status. So now you'll add a backslash and then select Invoice Status. Now that all the configurations for this document type have been made, click on Save, and now it appears on the left. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.